guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this logo animation on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to go to local here and I'm just going to add in a logo. I'm just gonna add like this snowflake once. I know it's not a logo, but it's the same. So add like a PNG of your logo. Then go to animation and basically select any of these animations that you want to add into your logo. I like this one's cute, but you do need the pro feature for it. They have the zoom one. You can also add in like the combo one, which I like because you add in a lot of animations to your logo. And okay, it does need to be longer though. That duration was only like 1 second. So yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. And I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.